How to add search bar in Windows 10 or 11. So let's start it. First of all, you can see here no search button are available in this taskbar, and you can see here no taskbar search button. So how can I edit this? So first of all, click on taskbar and empathy space here, and click on empathy space, and you can see here the lock the taskbar are checked. So uncheck this and click on search. Go on search and not click, and click you can see here hidden show search icon and show search box. If you want to showing the search box, then click on this. You can see here the search box here are available, and the search box are this size, and I want to only show icon, then click on show search icon. Then you can see here only search icon are available this files. So this is how to add search bar in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching this video.